Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
(2022) Toyota Tundra Redesign revealed, twin turbo V6, optional hybrid. In the ever-escalating truck wars in America, where the full-size pickup outsells every other type of vehicle, 15 years isn't just a long time. It's practically an eternity. But that's how long Toyota kept its second-generation Tundra on sale, having debuted all the way back in February of 2006 for the 2007 model year. Back then, the Tundra's 5.7-liter V8 engine's 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque sounded impressive. The 6-speed automatic was state-of-the-art and its 10,000-pound tow rating was competitive. Today? Not so much. It's about time, then, for a thorough redesign. And the 2022 Toyota Tundra is exactly that. There isn't a single nut or bolt that carries over from the outgoing truck. In place of the old truck's V8 engine is a new twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, optionally assisted by an electrified hybrid variant that's both more powerful and more efficient. In standard form, 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque are shuttled through a 10-speed automatic to either the rear wheels or all four. The real headline grabber, though, is the optional iForce Max powertrain. Boosted by an electric motor that sits nestled in the transmission bell housing behind the engine and is wired to a 288-volt nickel metal hydride battery pack under the rear seat, a total of 437 horsepower, at 5,200 revolutions per minute, and 583 pounds-to-foot, at a relatively low 2,400 revolutions per minute, make this the torquiest powertrain in its class, just ahead of the Ford F-150 power boosts, 570 pounds-to-foot at low speeds. The hybrid system is capable of operating solely on electricity, but the gasoline engine will automatically kick on at speeds over 18 miles per hour. Setting the drive mode select dial to Sport or Sport Plus. No, we don't expect the new Tundra to be sporty. Regardless of the modes, we'll maximize performance from the hybrid drivetrain. Tow/haul, for lighter loads, and Tow/haul plus, for big trailers or boats. Modes lock the engine and electric motor into joint propulsion duty and disables automatic stop/start. Depending on trim, the 22 Tundra can tow as much as 12,000 pounds. That's a strong figure and one that handily outperforms the previous version's 10,200 pound rating, but it's bested by GMC, Ram, and Chevrolet. At the top of the heap with up to 14,000 pounds is Ford. On the positive side, Toyota says all Tundra models equipped with a hitch can tow more than 11,300 pounds, so prospective buyers won't have to worry about adding any tow packages to earn a meaningful rating. Besides the strong powertrain options, the next major upgrade over the old Tundra is its coil spring, multi-link solid axle rear suspension design. Toyota says ride comfort, straight line stability and overall handling are all improved. Maximum payload stands at 1,940 pounds, an 11% improvement over the older leaf spring Tundra. The front suspension is still a double wishbone design, but it's redesigned and retuned to improve cornering performance. Those upgraded suspension components are attached to a frame that's now fully boxed. Just last year, Toyota was still touting the merits of its so-called triple tech frame, which used fully boxed rails at the front, a reinforced seat channel under the truck's cab and an open seat channel beneath the bed for strength, ride quality, and durability. For 2022, Toyota's Mike Swears, who serves as the chief engineer for the Tundra's platform, said his team had to rethink many things we'd previously done. The new fully boxed frame boasts improved rigidity and an overall improvement in capability over the old version. Also new for 22 is a truck bed made from a sheet-molded compound. The composite material is more resistant to dents than aluminum and won't rust like steel. This, along with aluminum cross members, results in a lightweight and durable bed. Normal twin-tube shocks are located at all four corners of the majority of 2022 Tundras, but trucks equipped with the TRD off-road package are upgraded with Bilstein monotubes. TRD Pro models go further with 2.5-inch diameter Fox internal bypass shocks with piggyback reservoirs that provide a 1.1-inch lift at the front. These high-tech shocks join a unique front stabilizer bar, a beefy-looking aluminum front skid plate and Falcon all-terrain tires. TRD Pro trucks also get more underbody protection in the form of plastic composite skid plates. Toyota representatives we spoke to weren't sure if the automaker will offer steel or aluminum alternatives. The multi-terrain select system features low-speed crawl control and downhill assist control, among other settings for maximum traction on various surfaces. Optional on certain higher grades, we'll have to wait to find out which trims specifically, will be an all-new air suspension system. It will automatically keep the rear of the truck level but can also be manually controlled with low, normal and high modes. That last mode is designed for low-speed off-roading, passing 18 miles per hour will send the truck